Alright, so kind of going to hopefully be a quick build series here, but yeah, I got a subsystem or sound system, whatever, for my truck. I'm going to put it in my truck. Nothing too crazy. It's got a 1,000 watt Sony Explode amp with 212 kicker comp bars. It's in a Renegade ported box, and it actually sounds really good. It was in Will's BMW, so I liked how it sounded, so that's why I'm doing it. But these are mounted in there crooked because the holes aren't big enough. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull these out. I'll pull these subs out, and then we're going to peel all the carpet off, see how it's assembled, and then I'm going to basically put a new faceplate on it, cut new holes, so that these guys can sit in there nicely. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right to it. And then I got carpeting, so that way we can recarpet it, and of course we're going to put Garageless on it. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, now that I've pretty well destroyed the box, we get to start over. So now all I got to do is just cut the top piece, and we're just gonna go ahead and screw it down into here, into the sides. We'll use liquid nails in between. Unfortunately, I don't have a router to make the edges nice and clean like these are, but that's okay with me. And then it also is nice because it adds in a little bit more, because those were for 10s and these are 12s, so you're going to want a little bit more space, I'm guessing, in this box. So, yep, let's go ahead and get this thing mounted on there. So let's do that. Alright, so went ahead, cut the board out, cut the circles out, circle out, and then I put in a little cross brace here because there was one in the other one that I cut out. Now I'm going to go grab the, what the fuck is it, liquid nails, put down some liquid nails around everything, put it down, drill out our holes, like drill, pre-drill, and sink them in. But yeah, so let's do that. I've went ahead, kind of cleaned up everything well, as best as I really can, or I feel like doing. And now I have some this spray adhesive, some Caesars. I got the stuff somewheres right here. So now we're gonna go ahead and pretty much get we'll wrap the long side first, and then we'll do the ends. So let's just start getting this thing wrapped. I'm thinking I'm going to start we could probably start in the halfway mark right on this one, or should we do here? I mean, this side's going to be facing down most likely. Pretty sure that's the plan. Yeah, because then the port is going to be right here. That's going to be facing straight out. Subs will be straight up. I think we'll start with the plain back here. We'll start right here. So we'll spray down some adhesive on here, and then I'm going to cut out the amount we're going to, like, a good width And then I'll spray it onto this, and then put it on, you know. You gotta apply it to this and this. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. I went ahead, soldered on all these. They had like that junk wire. I don't like that wire. I like this wire. This is like, I think this is 14 gauge. I believe it sells on there. And I don't know. I think it's 14 gauge. It's some big boy wire. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy put into the box. And then we can go ahead and get the subs in. I think I ran out of spray adhesive. I'm going to look around and see if I can find. I thought I had another can. But if I don't, then I'm out of spray adhesive and we won't be able to finish the box today. But yeah, so let's get this in. They're in. I just realized that this one has a tear in there. It's a damn shame. I can do RTV on there. That'll fix it. Done it before. Anyways, this one's fine. That just kind of sucks. Didn't notice it. Oh well. So yeah. Now it's in there. Now, let's see where we go from here. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, there it is. Turned out pretty neat. I still obviously got to do the ends. Probably what I'm going to do is just like, I don't know, there's multiple options, but I might just do the straight cuts and then put a box in the inside. Like cut out a box to fill the inside. Who knows? Or I might just fold over the edges, do like a little bit, and then put a box inside the inside as well. Went ahead, spray dyed some Garageless on there. Yeah. And I managed to have enough of the adhesive to cut this and fold it in. So that looks pretty nice. I think that's it for this, guys. Hopefully in the next one you'll get to see installable. I don't know if it'll be the next video, but do plan to install it. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.